Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Master Bachelor 101. Today we got a special video. Today is the last day of September. Time fly. Oh Jesus, this is scary. So tomorrow is gonna be the 10th month. So today is the 9th month. So basically, this is um this is getting ridiculous. So So here's a catch. They have to come up with something we've called the budget. Every year, the government has to come with a budget for the fiscal year for the following weeks. They gotta sit down, they got the funding ready, and everyone has to be agree or disagree. And next thing you know, they're gonna fund the government. That's how they keep moving. And today's the last day. They gotta come together and sit down and then come in accord and then disagree what they want to the bill, and then they're gonna come back the final bills so the president can sign it, and next thing you know the government can keep open. So this is the last day. So we heard that before, because sometime what they're gonna do, they're gonna extend it couple days, and then when the extension couple days they're gonna get paid at the meantime during the extension, while people working for the government gonna stay home. But the good thing is the employee, they're gonna get paid for the time is not working. That's a good thing. So basically we're gonna see how bad it is. And the market, we are kind of fairly. Yesterday the market was really nice yesterday, and today the market is kind of like worried about. That's why you see, even I was watching AA yesterday. It was up 385, 360. I mentioned yesterday that I was gonna sell for 20%, 120. As you can see, I bought the 33.5. As you can see right here is a 138. So basically, to 20% is the other though. So basically, this the graph don't lie. If you don't know it, this is the graph I was looking at. I was looking for the 15 minutes. I mentioned that where it has to be, MACD had to be above zero right here. It cross above the center line, and the price has to be above EMA 500, EMA 50 right here. And next thing you know, and then the market boom, and next thing you know, and it's a easy 20%. And also another stock that was moving very nicely also was a DoorDash. I missed that because I was too anxious on that one. If I had the DoorDash, I probably 40%. So I have another scanner I'm gonna use now, so where they can have 40%. So this is the one I'm gonna use on now for more. As we can see right here, the MACD right here is a cross above. Hold on, that's good. Sorry, this is another one. This is the wrong one. Okay, DoorDash. Okay, DoorDash is moving up. As you can see, is 1272. He got almost 4% up. So basically, as you can see, if we got the 15 minutes, it was above zero. Boom, over here, and it's above EMA 500, EMA 50, 100. So basically this is where the market, we I guess the next year from 272 to all the way to from 269 to all to 272, and it's easy money. And also you got LVS as well, make a good impact. LVS is Las Vegas, so basically LVS also make a good impact. He went from 50, let me see, 50, let me see, 54 to all the way to 56. So basically, as you can see, same criteria. um MACD cross over the signal line about zero, and next thing you know, boom, you buy it, and let's say RSI crossover, and RS and stochastic is crossover, and the price above EMA 500 and 50, and then you buy it. Next thing you know, 20%, and some of them go always over 100% as well. So this is what happened. So the market was kind of bullish yesterday, and today this morning people, the market was kind of crazy. As you can see, last night, um gold moving up. Gold was on 352, and you can see yesterday it was all the way to 350, almost 353. And you can see right here it moved nicely. Sorry, it moved nicely. Again, same apply. And now the market dropped because of the fear that the government gonna shut down. It's not gonna be good for Tesla. It's not gonna be good for as you can see, Tesla It's not gonna be for SP 500. I can see Tesla. Let me see Tesla. Tesla is dropping very fast. Unless they're reaching a chord together, it's moving up. So I can see Tesla is almost one basis point. Right now is 0.58 basis point. So right now everything look kind of bearish. We can see the graph right here. Everything looks bearish right now. So but I'm still waiting because right now it can be juicy as well. You can see right here, it might almost cross. It's about to cross here. Let's see the 3 minutes. Yes, you see it cross here, right here cross is about to stay. It probably pulled back. Again, it's too early to tell. The market hasn't opened yet. It's just speculating for right now. It look kind of about to bounce back. So we just sit down and watch to see how the market gonna react at opening. But for now, the market look promising. They probably have a rebound before it dip automatically. They probably wish a deal before the market close today. If that's their deal, or they're gonna let the market sink a little bit and then we should deal by 12 o'clock, and next thing you know the market is gonna rebound, and the next thing you know they look like a new. So that's the idea I'm having in mind, and we don't know how good or bad it's gonna get. So um short or happy today because they have an opportunity to make money, to squeeze the market until it's bleed, until it's drop. But still, um, only time will tell. Only time will tell. So it's kind of early. So it's only 9:24. We still have a couple minutes. And as you can see, Tesla is going down. And let's see SP 500. SP 500 is down as well. Is only 14 basis point. Like I said, same pattern. It look like it's gonna cross. If it cross here, again, that would be a good opportunity to make some 20% right here. But today, I'm not looking for 20%. Today, I'm looking for 40%. So basically, I'm waiting for a good pullback, a good pullback with a good pull either to the upside or to the downside, and then to hold it for a couple minutes, and then next thing you know, I can make my 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 money. So far, I'm up 20%, and I'm happy. And today we're gonna make 40% today. So this, and also one thing on China's market is booming yesterday and today. Let me see. Chinese market. Chinese market. Let's go. You see, Chinese market is booming yesterday and today. Right here, you see, is 87 basis point. That was the last night. As you can see right here, that was yesterday. That was before yesterday, and that was yesterday. And you can see right here, the market is bullish right here for them, which is a very nice way for them to tell you of America. So that's how it's gonna be. So we're gonna see how the rest of the day gonna be, and if it's United States gonna follow Chinese market, which is gonna be bullish, or they're gonna focus on the news that the media that's about the bill that's not gonna pass or pass. So we're gonna see how the market gonna react. For now, those are the two. Those are the stock I was watching, and let's check oil, or the oil gonna react today. The oil is even the oil go down because a lot of companies on United States rely on oil as well. So I think if they shut down as well, it's gonna affect the oil company or the supplies. I don't know. Probably everything is related to that. So that's why you see everything's go down. So we got 2 minutes before the market open. And Bitcoin, I was surprised. Yesterday, Bitcoin was doing good. I was hoping yesterday. You see, its course is a very nice, beautiful, beautiful. You went from 10,900, we get to 11,000, and we are all the way to 14, almost 15K. So it'd be 4K. So it was beautiful move yesterday. Yeah, it was like that yesterday. Today the market is kind of like hesitation. I don't blame them because nothing decides certain for now. Even waiting for what the government gonna decide, are they gonna go to that BS and then let the government shut down, or they gonna suck their pride and listing, sit down and have a talk so they can come to common ground, so they can let the people go to work and the government gonna reopen and the market gonna be following whatever trend going on, either bullish or bearish, and everyone gonna make money. So we have 1 minute before the market open, and like I told you guys, today we're gonna do live trade, so people don't say that I snitch or I cheat and so on and so forth. So I do the live trade so you can see which stock I buy and which stock I invest, and what price I buy it and what price I sell. So you got no excuses to tell me that I did this, I did that, or successful. I cut corners, I took a shortcut. So I tell you exactly which stock I'm buying and buy it live. The only thing is that I'm not gonna tell you how much I buy, and I'm not gonna tell you either. The market is open, and I'm gonna tell you either and how much I made. So basically, I mentioned last week, but if we end the week, I'm gonna tell you exactly my portfolio. Wow, look at that, 274. Shush. Yeah, DoorDash is killing it. So we're still gonna wait. It's still early. We usually wait 3 to 5 minutes. So right now it's 9:30. The market just opened. Let it go crazy by himself. Nvidia is moving. Are they gonna hold right now? That's the question. That's and DoorDash is keep moving higher, which is good. That's a good sign. And people are trying to secure profit as well. And DoorDash. Nvidia is that the news? Oh, DoorDash is to 374. Wow. So let's see. Palantir is moving up. Apple is moving up. Is it a fake rally or is it a real rally? That's the question I'm asking. Is it a fake rally or is it a good one? DoorDash 275. Whoa, that's another one. Damn, that's another. Whoa, this is crazy right now. Are they trying to scroll the bear or are they trying to destroy everyone option at this hour? Because they are gonna do that. Nvidia. Nvidia to right now I'm waiting for the crossover to happen. It still hasn't happened yet. So basically that's why I'm not buying anything yet for Nvidia. But it look promising. Nvidia look really promising. But so far there's nothing that show me that is gonna is a good buy. but it's look like it's gonna bounce up, and the highest we went the other day is 284. So the all-time high is 284. Right now is 282. So we're gonna wait 5 more minutes to see how the market gonna react. And for now, the market is it just sideways right now. It's flat. So don't jump in so fast. Okay, don't see that the market is moving and then you jump in as well to see such and so forth. No, you're gonna get burned. That's why a lot of people stop out. That's why a lot of people lose their portfolio because they doing something that they go with the trend. They do all the emotional. Don't be emotional. You gotta be able to play safe and seek a profit. That's how it is. Um, so we still waiting. It's kind of early. It's really early right now. So yeah, like I said, it's kind of early. So be patient. Be patient. Like you see, if you buy it, you're gonna be in the red right now, and it's not gonna be worth it. And that's the point I'm telling you guys to whether be patient because if you go too soon, you're gonna get burned, and the market is not your friend. And gold is let me see, let me see the dash on high is the dash now. The dash is going back to 273, and what else? LVS is red. Okay. What else? Let me see. Yesterday I mentioned which one I follow yesterday. A double A. Let's see double A. Double A is down. He lost all his gain. This is ridiculous right now. So be patient. So we're still watching the because remember at 9:40 is when I'm gonna try to do to buy my stock at 9:40. So right now okay, right now the market is just sideways. Is there any news? Let's look at the news SP 500 to see if they have any news there. No news yet. Right now the market is very bearish, very bearish. Oh la la. It's not every day you can buy easily. It's not every day you expecting like to make money. Some day just sideways. Some day you gotta sit and then watch and relax. That's what it is. Some day, and some other time you just go in and make money. And but right now the market is very very flat. Okay, we still have 5 minutes. It's trying to rebound. I think it's going down. My problem is that is this gonna go bounce up or is it gonna go bounce down? We still have a couple minutes. So I'm still watching. Here's the thing, I see the market is flat right now, so we're gonna keep watching to see how it's gonna react. But right now I see a couple stock that's moving and I'm waiting for confirmation to be patient, be patient, be patient, be patient. You see the market moving, trying to move back again. Oh no. We're gonna see if the market gonna go up or down at this point. Let's see. We got Dell. Dell has potential. We're gonna see is it good potential, is bad potential. We gonna look at some potential. Okay, let's type the DEL. Dell is 2 basis point. We'll see how is it good or bad. Yeah, I'm going by Dell right now. So I'm gonna buy Dell. So I'm buying Dell. So this is look good. So as you can see, it means you get all the criteria. So I'm gonna do 40% to see how much I make. 40% is let me see. If I bought for 150, let's see 40% how much it's gonna be. The option I bought is option call, of course. Let me see which option call I bought. eventually by option call. So let's see, which option call I bought. I bought the 139. I bought the 139 for 160. I bought 139 for 160. So we're gonna see if I make 40%, 10.40 to 25. So I'm gonna sell it for 225. We're gonna see if it's gonna fill or not. $225. Okay. So I bought DELL, and I bought it at 943. So basically we're gonna see I bought for 139. I bought for 160, and we're gonna see if it's going to go higher, and I'm gonna sell it for 225. We're gonna sit down and wait for the market to see if it's gonna fill or not. It's supposed to be going higher, but for some reason the price go high, but the stock option are there so many people who is bearish at this moment. That's why they're not buying option call. Hmm? Is this why or what's going on? Right now is 190, so I need 30 more basis points so to see to if my portfolio gonna be um to sell. I'm gonna sell for 225. Right now is 190. The point is you got two. If you go to graph right now, if you go to the chart right now, if you go to the 30 minutes, that's the first one. Okay. Once you go over here, there's a first breakout on 37.7. Let's go to 2 hours so for it to clear picture. Okay. This is the first stage. Boom. Okay. 135. Okay. And now you got the second stage, which is 137, 138. If it's built to 138, the next stage will be definitely is 141. So basically once you break that, it's gonna be 141. So he need to break, once you will break 138, it's gonna be on 141. So now he's fighting really hard to go to 138. We're gonna see and find out. Okay, is it 138? A lot of people are pessimistic today. And the market is open actually, so basically not even 10 o'clock yet. So the market is just open. So I'm I'm not worried. So I buy on DELL option call right here, and 139, and I bought for 160, and I'm waiting for it to be fair at 225. Um, if it's fell today, if it fell today, I'm gonna let you know tomorrow. If it's not fell today, I'm gonna also let you know. Right now I'm up to 10% because I bought a 160, and right now the price is 180. If I want the 120, if I bought 20%, I will set for 192. 192, which is gonna be give me a 20% that I want. But today is Tuesday, I want 40%. My 40%, I want my 40%. So right now is I still have a 10%. So since I bought a 160, so this is a graph that's showing over here is not from my I'm not financial advice. This is, you see, this is the first 15 minutes. The first 15 minutes, the market he went up all the way to let me zoom in a little bit. He went all the way to 150 158. So we're gonna look at the second 15 minutes if it's gonna go there or not. Everything promising right now. All I gotta do now is be patient. That's all I gotta do now. Okay, see right here, that's the first. You see, that's a nice candle right here. You need to see those nice candle. This is bullish candle right now. You need to see those big green candle because that means it's a reaction to price. This is a nice, beautiful greenish candle, and when he break that week, which is at one, which is that 183. Once you break that 183, the next stage is gonna be probably 138. So right now, it just because of the uncertainty of the bill, that's why you see the market is behaving like that. I know it's 10 o'clock. At 10 o'clock, the market usually react like it's going down, but I'm gonna hold for it. um Not function advice. If you always put a stop loss, my stop loss always between 5% to 10%. For example, if I bought for $100, I'm gonna put my stop loss for 90, and then I'm gonna put my set profit from 20%. So that's gonna be sell at 120 and then stop loss at 90. This is how I'm gonna make profit, and this is how I'm gonna exactly make money. But again, if one is different, move according to you. So basically, so you want feel out that you lose money and everything. So it's still early. So I'm still watching it because the market is is look very promising right now, and we see everything out. And thank you guys for watching. Once again, this is Master Trader 101. And guys, if you like my video, the thumbs up, subscribe, share, that's not new. And right now, I'm buying DELL, and then I'm waiting for my order to be filled for my 70, for my 40%. I'm waiting for it to be filled at 225. So right now, the market is kind of like fighting really hard to not for DELL to not move. But again, it's kind of early. We're gonna let you know by tomorrow if my order does fail or not. And I'll see you guys next one. Thank you for watching. Once again, it's my distribution one, and I'll see you.